Are you looking for a rare succulent seller with an affordable price? In this video, I have unboxed 10 types of beautiful rare succulents. If you're interested about this topic, please keep on watching.
Hello guys!
Welcome to the vlogs of AJ Verdida! Our seller for today. The following photos were grabbed from the postings of the seller's account. She offers cactus and succulents as per individual and as per set. For only 1,000 pesos per set, you can avail 8 varieties of rare succulents. And let's take a review. These 2 plant items were mined from the posting sales she had a month ago. And this is the set that I luckily got. As per seller's instruction, I've air dried them overnight. In this case, this rare succulents was uprooted from compost mixture. And my available here is loam soil and pumice, and I create from them my CNS soil mixture. I always incorporate pumice to improve the drainage of my succulent plants. It is important for you to discover what's best for your succulents as you transplant them to their new environment. Trimming off old roots allows them to produce new roots that enhances nutrient and water absorption. While repotting, you can also remove some leaves for propagation so that your collections will multiply easily. As a topping, I added lava rock, another igneous rock that improves drainage of the succulent plants. After repotting, no watering shall be done until 5 to 7 days. Maintain them under a bright shaded area. After a week or so, you can also give them plant food and can apply an osmocote. Osmocote is a slow or time-release fertilizers that releases nutrients slowly over time to deliver an ongoing supply of nutrition to your plant. Each time you water your plants, the resin coating gradually melts away to deliver a little fertilizer at a time. That's it for today. If you have comments and suggestions, please feel free to comment down below. I hope this video has helped you. Don't forget to
Like, share,
subscribe. Thank you for watching.